Hey friends, so sometimes you are about to do something for the first time in your life and you're not sure how it's gonna go and you're nervous. You know, being nervous just means that you care. So if you don't understand how the nested toggle list works in notion2anki, no worries. I'm gonna explain it to you in this video. Please watch it until then, and remember friends, you can do it. Smash the like button, come on. I believe in you, smash it. And also, if you haven't already done it, please subscribe and then hit the bell icon. Thank you. It helps. The algorithm, you know, the algorithm. Come on. So we used to have toggle list, multi-level toggle list support in notion2anki before, but I decided to remove it because it wasn't stable. So it was unreliable, and you could set up your notes in so many different ways, and some people were doing it in a certain way and others were doing it in a different way. Medicine students do it in one particular way, and then you have language learners who do it a little bit different. So what we decided to do instead, and you can read up on this if you look through the Reddit history on notion2anki, we made it simple. Special thanks to Henrik, one of our amazing supporters, for suggesting several changes which we have made. So we went away from supporting Markdown, which we used to support before, and we also actually removed tag support, but tag support is back in the most recent version. So look at the next video, it should be recommended, maybe even on the sidebar or something. So tag support is back. The thing we did with the parsing was, since we're reading exports from Notion, is that what we do is notion2anki reads this, and then it treats this as a basic card. So this is the front and this is the back, and it reads in the HTML. That's why we get some of the formatting and so on. So if we look at this here, for example, so what happens if you have a basic card and you have some toggles? Well, what's going to happen is that notion2anki is going to read this as the front, and then it's going to treat everything that's inside as the back. You're not going to lose anything with this approach. So that it works in practice, and we actually do have an option for toggling these, and there will be another video on that. Just try out the notion2anki and then see how it works for you. And if you have any issues, feel free to drop them in the comment. I'll see them and then I'll try to address them. But essentially, the first toggle header is the card name, and then whatever's inside is the back. There are some certain cases where that's not true. For example, in the close deletion, you don't need a back. You can add it if you want to, but you don't really need to. If you wanted to, you could just create it as it is. So for example, here you see the capital of Denmark is Odense. I don't know if that's actually true, but you see that toggle is empty, right? So that body has nothing inside of it. So I hope this clarified how it actually works. And if you are still wondering, please just drop questions in the comments section and I'll try to answer. Thanks.